It's cold out here, but I'm ready. Once I get my bed blowed up, I'll be ready. And just like that, my bed is all set up. Got my pillow, my heavy blanket. I would definitely be warm back there. And then my big coat just in case. I'm tired now. I'm ready to get in bed now. But I still gotta take care of this. I gotta make sure that all my diabetic stuff, my snacks and everything, my insulin is everything is within my reach. And yep, I'll be back.